Guys, how are you doing? My name is Enchivikat and today I'm here to show you a card magic trick. So first I'm going to show you the trick and then I'm going to give the tutorial for doing it. So let's start the trick. So I give the card name trick as the secret card trick. So I have a deck of 52 cards and I'm going to give it a bit shuffle first. Here I give it a shuffle, another shuffle. Now as the trick name suggests, so I'm going to take out my secret card from the deck. I'm going to take out my secret card randomly from the deck. Okay, not this one, not this one. Okay, let it be. I like this card very much, so let it be my secret card. So I'm going to keep it here, and I'm not going to reveal this card at the beginning of the trick. Okay, so now I'm going to give another shuffle so that the card gets mixed well. Now I'm going to divide this deck into 3 piles. Randomly I'm going to select estimate an amount of cards. So let it be the first pile, let it be the second pile, and the third pile. Okay. Now I'm going to reveal all the top cards of each pile. So the top card of the first pile, top card of the second pile, and top card of the third pile. So take a look at the top cards. And I'm going to give another shuffle to this pile, sorry. Pile number 2 and pile number 3. See it here? Okay, I have given the shuffle. Now you see the number that is written in the top cards of each pile. So I'm going to take out that many cards as it is written in the top cards of each pile, and I'm going to distribute 1 card to each pile. So I'm taking the first pile, and the top card of the first pile says 2, so I'm going to take out 2 cards. So 1, 2, and going to divide 1 card to each pile. Now it says the second pile top card says 9, so I'm going to take out 9 cards. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and going to distribute 1 card to each pile. Now we come to the third pile, and the top card of the third pile says 5 of hearts, so I'm going to take out 5 cards. So say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 card to each pile. Now the magic begins from here. We give 1, 2, 3 snaps, and I'm going to reveal the top cards of each pile. So we come to the first pile. So the top card of the first pile is 7 of hearts. Then we come to the second pile, and the top card of the second pile is 7 of clubs. Now we come to the third pile. So the top card of the third pile is 7 of diamonds. Okay, that's cool. And this is my secret card, which I took out from the deck at the beginning of the trick, randomly from the deck, and with a snap. I hope you can guess what's my secret card now. That's also the 7 of spades, and that's it. So guys, now we come to the tutorial part. So you don't need any extra or magical deck. You only need these requirements or these required cards, and these required cards you are going to take it from that very deck which you are going to use for the trick. So the first requirement is a 5. You can, here the symbols doesn't matter. You can take 5 of hearts, 5 of diamonds, 5 of clubs, or 5 of spades. Now we come to the second requirement, that is 3 random cards. Any 3 random cards that which are going to take from this deck. Okay, now we come to the third requirement, that is 4 similar cards. You can take any card. You can take 2, 3, ace, or jack, then king, 9, any number. I have taken your 7. And now we come to the arrangement part now. So take a card from this similar section, and you are going to put randomly anywhere in the deck, which is going to be your secret card. You don't know where the card is because you are going to choose this card by looking at the deck. Now bring them together and come to the arrangement. So at the top this 5 of hearts should be there, then you keep these 3 random cards, and then should come the 3 similar cards. Then flip the pile, so now you get the top card as the 5 of hearts, then the 3 random cards, and then the 3 similar cards. Now this arranged card should remain at the top of the deck, which you are going to use for the trick. Now let's come to the trick. So before starting the trick, you can give it a shuffle so that you can make sure to the spectator that there is no arrangements in your deck. So while shuffling, you should not harm any cards to the top card, as you know it contains your all the arranged cards, which is very necessary for the trick to go successfully. So now you're for the shuffling part, you are going to hold the card facing the down, and you're going to take a bit amount of card from the top and going to bring it front and put the thumb over it and pull the cards. You're going to just pull the cards from the below of this pile. So after going a bit distance, you are going to put this pile again at the top of the deck so that you do not cause any harm to your arranged cards. So you get you get your arranged cards again at the top of the deck. Okay, do it a couple of times. Another time, by only just pulling the cards from below. Now you're going to say that spectator that you're going to take out your secret card or magical card, or you can say you're going to take out your lucky card. So just slide the cards, find for 7 of spades, which was your secret card. So I got the 7 of spades, and do not show this card to the spectator at the beginning of the trick, and you're going to flip it and keep it aside of the table and push and tell the spectator that you are going to reveal this card, not now but at the end of the trick. Now you're going to give again a bit shuffle so that to make sure the spectator that you don't have any arrangements again in the deck. So just pull the card from below and again put this on the top. Okay, so that's how you do not harm any cards to the top arrangement. Now you're gonna do it in the very same manner as I did. You're going to divide this deck into 3 piles, estimating any random amount of cards. Say that this pile should be the first pile, then second pile, and the third pile. Your third pile should contain all your arranged cards. Okay, and this third pile, the pile which contains all the arranged cards, should remain at the third section so that you can go consecutively that first card, second card, and then the third card. Okay, now just flip it over, or now flip all the top cards of each pile. Now you're going to give it another shuffle. You know that this pile doesn't contain the arranged cards, so you can give any type of shuffle. Then come to the second pile. You know that this pile also doesn't have any arrangement, so you can give any type of shuffle. And since you know that this pile contains your arranged cards, you're going to again take some cards from the top and pull the card from the below, and after going a bit distance, you're going to keep this pile again at the top of this pile. Okay, now you say to the spectator that you are going to take out that many cards as it is written in the top card of each pile, or you can again say that the JQK you can hold this cards or the name of the cards as 10. You can take the K as 10, J as 10, and the Q as 10. You're not going farther than 10, so let K be the 10. So you're going to take out 10 cards from the top. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and going to distribute one card to each pile. Now we come to the second pile, and it's written 4, so we are going to take out 4 cards from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and going to distribute one card to each pile. Now we come to the third pile and we are going to take out 5 cards from the top. So 1 2 3 4 5, and going to distribute one card to each pile. Now the magic and all the arrangements are done. Now you can show the spectator that you're doing something magical by giving it a snap, that 1 2 3 snaps. I'm going to reveal all the top cards of each pile and you will get all the top cards as the same card. That's 7 of hearts, 7 of clubs, and 7 of diamonds. And then you come to your secret card, give it a snap, so that you're showing the spectator that you have done something magical over it, and going to flip the card and show that this was my secret card which I took from the deck randomly at the beginning of the trick, and that's it. So it was a great magic trick and it gave great reaction to the people. All you just need a bit arrangements and a bit practice. Also subscribe to the channel of Miss Maggie 22, the card trick teacher. I'm really inspired by his videos and he gives great magic trick videos with the tutorial, and he's also keep an eye on all his new updates. So thank you guys for watching it. Tap the like button if you really like it, and also subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos, and also tap that bell so that all my new updates come to your notification bar. Thank you and goodbye.